Hey, what's up guys, Jaeky here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Antlion ModMic USB 2.0. Shout out to Antlion for sending this out for review, but as always, that does not affect my opinion of it. So the ModMic is pretty popular. If you're not familiar with it, it's pretty much an external microphone that you can attach to the side of any headphones and or headset in order to convert it into a headset. So you can attach this to a studio pair of headphones that don't typically have a microphone, and you can pretty much convert those studio level headphones into a headset. Or you can even just put these on a traditional gaming headset just to improve the mic quality, because the ModMic has really high quality sounding audio compared to a traditional headset mic. So the ModMic 2.0 came out pretty recently. There are two different versions. You have the USB version, which I have here, and then you can also pick up a 3.5mm version. So the ModMic USB 2 is currently retailing for $90 USD on the Antlion website. And the ModMic Uni 2, which is the 3.5mm, is currently retailing for $60 USD. So with the ModMic 2.0, the difference between the 2.0 and the original is that you are getting an upgraded microphone. So this will sound better than the first generation of the ModMic. And I'm sure you're getting some other improvements as well, but everything else remains exactly the same as the first generation, where you get that little magnet that you can stick onto any headphones, and you can have a very modular design where the ModMic can just pop on and off. So let's get this thing open and see what we get in the box. So in the box, you get a carrying case, and everything is going to be inside of here. In the carrying case, you get the ModMic itself right here. This is what the ModMic looks like. As you can see here, you have a mute switch here. It's a tactile mute switch. And then here you have a magnet already pre-installed. You can see there the magnet is very strong, so it takes quite a bit of force to pull it off, so you don't have to worry about accidentally bumping it and it falling off. And then you have some adhesive here that you can peel off and stick this onto your headphone of choice. You have a windscreen here on the actual capsule itself, and if we take the little windscreen off, you can see that this is what that capsule looks like on the ModMic 2. And you can see here, obviously this is the USB version, so it terminates into a USB-A. But in the bag, you also get an adapter for USB-A to USB-C. So if you want to use this on a device with USB-C, such as a mobile device, you can do that. And then you get some extra magnets as well in the bag if you want to attach magnets to multiple headphones, because you switch between multiple headphones, you can definitely do that. You also get an alcohol pad in here as well. So it looks like you get one extra magnet. So in total, you have two, one that comes with the ModMic and then the one extra, and then you get two extra adhesives as well. And then these just look like little cable clips. But in terms of accessories, that's pretty much all you're going to get. So I guess really all that's left to do is to plug the ModMic in and see how it sounds. Alright guys, you are now hearing me on the Antlion ModMic 2 USB plugged straight into my computer, and I have the Windows gain set to 50%. I found 50% was a good volume just so that I don't peak. So this is pretty much what you're going to be hearing. I have the microphone around 2 to 3 inches away from my mouth, and pretty much this is where it would be if I had it on a headset. So this is what you would hear coming out of the ModMic. So I personally haven't listened to it yet, but if it's anything like the first generation ModMic, this is going to be infinitely better than your traditional headset microphone. So I'm expecting pretty good quality coming from the ModMic 2.0. One more thing I'm going to test is I'm actually just going to mute the microphone to see if there's any loud popping noise. One thing that I hate is when microphones have that loud popping noise when you mute it, so I'm going to mute right now. And now I'm unmuted, and it doesn't seem like there's any popping noise that comes with muting, so that's really good to see. And that was the audio test of the ModMic. One thing to note is when you do mute the microphone, there is this red LED to let you know that you've muted the microphone, so that's very nice. And one more thing as well is we're going to test the audio rejection on this microphone and how well it cancels out background noise. So let's switch back to the microphone here, and I'm just going to type on the keyboard. I'll move it closer and away from the keyboard so that you guys can get an idea of how well it rejects background noise. Alright, so I have the ModMic right next to my mouth right now, just like I had it before. I'm going to start typing on the keyboard here, just hitting a couple keys. And this is about the distance that I would have my keyboard away from my face while I'm gaming, so this is kind of what you would hear in the background. And now let's slowly move the ModMic closer to my keyboard. And now we are back at my mouth, so that's pretty much how well it handles background noise rejection. And yeah guys, overall the ModMic is still a great solution for those who are looking for a mic to attach to headphones that don't come with a microphone, or for those who are looking for a microphone upgrade to their gaming headset, but they don't want to purchase a standalone microphone. I've always thought that the ModMic first generation sounded fantastic, and with the ModMic 2.0 coming out, it sounds even better. So really no complaints from me. The ModMic is a fantastic sounding headset style microphone. If you guys are looking to pick it up, I will leave a link to it in the description below. But that's pretty much it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.